Hello, this is Kansury from Kndmax. Kndmax is a professional manufacturer of cheaper, luxability and mini diapers from China. Today I will show you our little gasoline shredder.
Okay.
It is with two feeding buckets. This is for leaves and this is for small branches. The chipping capacity is 3 inch. The chipping method is disc style. The engine is 7 horsepower. Also, you can choose different brands as you like. This is the adjustable deflector. If you are interested in it, just contact us. Together with Kndmax, we build the future.